Hello everyone, welcome back to Livedocs University again. So just now you had a look at how to use Jupyter Notebook. We typed everything up, we created graph, and now I'm going to show you how you can do all those things that we did just now with AI instead. And it's gonna speed you up 10 times faster. So I'm going to use this platform, which is Livedocs, which is the one that this YouTube channel is about. So Livedocs is a AI data analytics platform, and you can literally analyze any data you want in minutes. So first, before this tutorial, go to livedocs.com. So as you can see here, you can just upload your data sets and chat with the AI straight away. And you can just try it out here as well. See, everything is just created by AI, even the chart, it's beautiful. So team and businesses are using this mostly for the data analytic work, save them a lot of time. So I'm gonna sign in and I can show you. As you can see here, we have the homepage, and these are the notebooks that we created. And then for data, you can link it to, instead of just uploading your data, just file, Excel file, you can connect with your Postgres, you can connect with S3, ClickHouse, anything that you want here. And you can schedule your tasks to run as well, which is pretty fun. And let's just start with a notebook. Using the same example just now, I'm going to use the same data sets, which is the sales data set I have. I am going to upload my files, which is the same data set that I was using. And now we have the file ready here. There you go. So we can create a notebook, and Livedocs has 3 different vibe you can use. The notebook, which you can just create Python cells yourself. I can just like import pandas is pandas, or and then import matplotlib. And then also NumPy. And I'm gonna run it, and it will run. So this is one way to create that. Or I can just ask the agent to do it, and you can see it's my face. I'm gonna use the file that I just uploaded, which is the finance file, and just edit. You'll be here. And now I just have to tell the AI, or before that, I can select any type of models I want here. And I can add instructions to the AI. For example, this. But for now, let's just keep it simple. I'm just gonna ask it like, can you analyze the sales and create visualizations for sales over dates versus sales, and customers versus sales, and the marketing spent versus sales. And then the AI will just do these things. You can see the program. If it doesn't understand anything, you can just reply. Now we've got the graph that we had just now. These are the Python code that it created in marketing versus sales. It's literally the same thing that we created just now. Now, perfect. We've got the same graph, literally the same thing that we don't have to do anything about it. We just ask it. And if we want to save the chart, because it's beautiful and it's interactive, we could just ask it to save it. Save the charts. That's how you use AI for faster data analysis work, and it's been helpful. Try it out, livedocs.com, and I will see you in the next tutorial.